Hey, can I borrow your circular saw?
No.
Please, I need to use it before tomorrow.
Do you think just because you're dating my sister, you can use my power tools?
Listen, man, forget your sister. My family's coming over tomorrow, and without that saw, I'm going to jail.
You better respect my sister, or I'll end up in jail for killing your ass.
You know, I didn't respect your sister. Give me the saw, or I'll take it from you.
What do you mean you didn't respect my sister? Did you break her heart?
I didn't break her heart. It was her neck. I need that saw to cut her up before someone smells her rotting in my tub.
Why didn't you say so? I hate that bitch. Come on, I'll bring you the saw over tonight.